Hi everyone, so for today's video we will be unboxing this portable hair straightening brush from Tymo. I've seen this on social media for so long and I finally gave in and gave it a try. So here you can see the box. It's made of a very hard and rigid material, and once you open it you would see that it includes a leaflet which basically tells you all the information that you need, such as the power button. It's basically a manual that tells you all the information, product overview of the item. It says here that they use advanced ionic technology for less frizz and more shine, and that it distributes even heat and reduce hair pulling by patented bristle design. It is cordless and rechargeable and pretty portable for sure. So now we are going to open the item itself. You can see that it comes with a traveling pouch, but let's go ahead and open the other portion first. Inside this part, you will see some hairpins with their logo in it. It says Tymo. Not sure if it's Tymo actually or Timo, but whatever. And it also comes with a Type-C charger. And finally, the product itself. It comes with a traveling leatherette pouch. It has a very nice feels, you guys. And it has a very sleek look, which I love so much. Now, here comes the brush. It has a matte finish, very handy and portable. The bottom part has it's called an airplane mode, wherein you can just remove it if you want to use it and just put it back on if you are traveling. This is also the part where you will be charging it using a USB Type-C chargeable cable. And now I am turning it on. You just have to press it for a few seconds and it will automatically light up. The blue light indicates that your battery level is more than 20%. And I'm just feeling if it's getting hot, and see the lights actually change into orange, which means that my battery level now is less than 20%. So I just have to charge it later on after I finish this video. Here's the look. The three white lights actually indicates the temperature. So it has three temperature settings. The first settings is 160 degrees Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit, and it's best to be used for dyed or dark colored hair. Next is 180 degrees Celsius or 360 Fahrenheit for normal or slightly curly hair. And the last one is 200 degrees Celsius or 395 Fahrenheit, which is meant to be used for or if you have thick, curly, and wavy hair. Alright, and so now I'm going to try this Tymo Porta portable hair straightening brush for the very first time. I already charged it and I only charged it for 30 minutes. So first I'm going to be brushing my hair to remove all tangles. It says in the manual that your hair should be dry and you shouldn't be putting any like oil or any type of styling agent or other inflammable chemical products. Please forgive me if I'm not doing it correctly. This is literally the first time I'm using it and I don't know what to expect. It seems good. The hairbrush is a little bit warm, but it's not bothersome. Here you can see that there's a little bit of wave already, so that's nice. I am just gonna speed this up for you guys so you can see right away the results, but as you can see, it does really do a very good job in making my hair a little bit more volumized. I think that's one of my problems that I'm having, and this is precisely the reason why I wanted to try this hair tool to actually address my flat hair days. One of the few things that I really appreciate using this hair tool is the fact that it's very small. It's really portable. It's just 8 inches long, so I'm pretty sure it will really fit in my small bags, making it very travel friendly. According to the manual, charging time is up to 2 hours, and the tool should run up to 30 minutes perfectly. If you are based in Manila, Philippines, you can buy this item for 4,000 pesos at hairmanila.com. And if you are from the US, you can buy this for only $69 at Amazon. So far, I'm really liking this tool. It really gives my hair a bit of volume that I really need, and it's very affordable actually. If you are planning to buy this tool, please let me know how it goes, and if you're liking the product, maybe we can share some notes on how to properly use it. As you can see, this is my first time to use it, and I feel like I'm doing an okay job. This whole look actually took me 10 minutes, and we are finally done. I am just adding some hairspray to hold the look. I hope this video helps you in any way, and if you don't mind, I would really appreciate if you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you.